All right, how about a little rosebud? So I've mixed up a little bit of pink, and I added a little bit of yellow to it to make kind of this orangey color. And I'm going to start off by just making a small oval with a little bit of a pointed tip to it. And this can be my little bud. Okay. And that's it for that bud. Then I'm going to use my smaller, this is my number 3 brush. And I'm going to, a lot of times roses have that little, those little petals, I say petals, little leaves that have been closed up, and as the bud starts peeking out, they come up like that. I'm going to make a little leaf that kind of hangs down. And then this is the scary part. I'm not adding any more water because I have a pretty wet. In fact, I'm going to let that dry for just a second. In the meantime, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you how to make a rose. Okay, so I'm going to start by making a little V in the middle. Let's see. Then I'm going to take it and make some little petals to go around it, kind of a little bit haphazard. Little space between them. I'm not picking up any more paint. I'm actually wanting it, well, maybe a little bit. So I'm pressing down so that as I get over to this side, so you can see it, I don't want this to be smack dab in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to make it appear that I'm kind of seeing it from the side here. And I can go back and tap in some of this deeper color here and there if I want to. Okay, and you can even kind of blur those lines just a little bit if you want. Okay, and then I'm going to make my stem again. This isn't the greatest green for this, but that's okay. Okay. So I'm going to go back over here to this one, and I'm going to make kind of the little bowl for of green for to contain my bud. I'm actually going to even make some little things like it's coming out. Now if I wanted to add a little bit darker green in here, I can do that by just tapping in a little bit of different colors here and there, especially while it's still wet. If you need a vein, you can do that.